Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're making two classic dessert cocktails, the White Russian and the Black Russian. Rich, coffee-flavored cocktails served over ice. But let's dive into ingredients, starting with vodka. Pick your poison, preferably not something offensive tasting. Coffee liqueur. I went with Kahlua because it's classic and will keep things sweet. But Mr. Black or Luxardo would work well if you want something less sweet and more bitter coffee. And heavy cream. I've chosen half and half as it's got decent fat content, but keep your lactates close. Once you've got your ice on standby, gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat and some rocks glasses. I've got some vintage Toronto Transit Commission glasses for some flair, as we'll be making these cocktails in the glass. Then fill each glass with ice. Okay, maybe not that full. And be sure to get your hands all over the ice. Then get your go-to jigger and measure 1 ounce of vodka for the White Russian, which we'll be building on the left. 1.5 ounces of vodka for the Black Russian, one ounce of coffee liqueur for the White Russian, one and a half ounces of coffee liqueur for the Black Russian, finishing it off. And give them both a good stir since we didn't use a shaker. And lastly, measure 1 ounce of your cream, which you could pour directly in, or you could use a blender bottle or some other tool to make your cream frothy. Pour in your ounce of cream and shake it for 10 to 15 seconds to get it nice and frothy. And carefully pour it over your cocktail. And there you have the White Russian and the Black Russian. Now let's give them a taste. Starting with the Black Russian. There isn't much taste from the vodka, but it serves to strengthen the drink and thin out the richness of the coffee liqueur, which adds wonderful coffee dessert notes. And before trying the White Russian, I'll give a quick mix to get things more incorporated. Now let's give it a taste. The light and frothy cream blends effortlessly with the rich coffee flavor, with the vodka mostly absent from the final taste, but helps balance the sweetness of the Kahlua. It's easy to see why these are so popular, and why the dude loved them so much. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite way to make a White or Black Russian? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.